In this video, I'm reviewing PayPenny to determine if it's truly fast, reliable, and safe for your international transfers. PayPenny has built a reputation for processing transfers quickly, with some transactions completing in minutes rather than days. The actual speed depends on several factors, including banking hours, destination and country, and the recipient's bank policy for transfers. Transfers to major countries accept completion within 24 hours, though some remote destinations may take longer when it comes to reliability. PayPenny offers several features that enhance the user experience, including real-time tracking on their mobile app. Their mobile app provides instant notifications so you know exactly when your money arrives at its destination 24/7. It also has 24/7 customer support. It is responsive with multiple contact channels, including live chat, email, and phone support. Most users report smooth transactions through occasional delays. Can happen during peak times or with certain banking partners. Safety is a priority for PayPenny.